All right, my guys, today we're gonna talk about my collection for the month of November. Just a quick reminder, I have sold quite of my business in Cocoa Beach and Titusville. So the ATMs are less, there's less coin pushers, there's less claw machines, and there's just one less gumball. But let's get to the numbers. The ATMs this month made considerably less transactions. Last month I had 800 and change, this month I have 600. So obviously the fees will be lower. We're looking at 1227. Last month we have almost 1500, so that's quite a decrease of almost $300. Now I don't know if you've seen or if you heard, but I outsourced my business. I have somebody who fills in the machines, so I'm paying him 80 cents per transaction. So basically that's going to be less work for me. I can take my money out and buy another property or do whatever I want with them, but I still will be making money from the ATMs. It's just going to be not as much. If we consider that there are, let's say, 700 transactions a month, that means I'm going to pay that person about $500 and change. $500 to $600 is what I'm thinking. Basically, I'm going to pay him about half of what I make. If I make about $1,200, $1,300, half will go to the vaulter, which is fine. Same with the coin pushers. I do pay him 25% net because I paid 50% to the owner. I'm going to be left with the other 25%. For example, as you can see here, I made $637 this month. This number will be in half because the other half will go to the person who manages that business, who services that business, not manages. Of course, from that 637 went to the owner or to the owners. I have not cashed out all of the coin pushers. There's one coin pusher that I have inside a motorcycle club that I haven't cashed out, but they don't do very well. So that means that gives me more chance to go and find new locations, move coin pushers around, move ATMs around, and basically do what a business owner does, finds more locations in business, not changing the coin pusher, filling in the coin pusher, and so on and so forth. So obviously for this purpose, you will have to have employees, which you know I don't really like. Anyways, moving on, the gumballs, I still have 19. I haven't cashed them out. I want to cash them out end of December. Claw machines, I have just 2 now, and I am waiting for the third one, the one that gave me the most amount of problems for the last 6-7 months. They still are fixing it, and I don't know what's going on with that. And I have 2 other small capsule machines, but I did 155. As you can tell, it did way less. The one machine that I have into the brewery that does amazing, and it always cashes out between $300 and $400. Well, this time it cashed out 100 and change, which was not ideal, but what are you gonna do? Then nothing on the digital ads. I'm gonna devote more time, maybe next year for that. Massage chair, $12. Oh, that's the biggest revenue I've had. Oh no, I'm lying. And then nothing else. Contract sales, merchant services, nothing. The grand total is $2,000 and some change, $2,032. You can see here in May and June, I've had the most amount of money because of Turo. Turo made me, about $1,000 a month. I am reconsidering to change my strategy with the car. I was thinking of selling it, but now I'm just not thinking of selling it because gas and maintenance are a very huge expense for a regular combustion engine vehicle. So maybe next year I'll reconsider and start renting an Turo and wait till people trash the F up from the car, because that's what they do. In the meantime, here what's not included is my Airbnb. Airbnb is making about $2,000 a month unofficially, but also my other rentals are making money. One rental is managed by another company, so it's not bad for me to include all of the rentals that are managed or not managed by another company. Maybe I want to start including that into my next year's spreadsheet because it's more. But yeah, $2,000 a month. I'm not super excited, but again, I did sell quite some of the machines. Some of the machines I'm just a vaulter. Actually, those that make the most amount of transactions, I'm just a vaulter. Alright guys, that's gonna be a short one this time, not 10-minute one, maybe 5. Thank you very much for watching. This is it for this month, $2,000 and change. Hopefully in December I do a little bit better. And that's that. Easy way to support the channel is to hit like and sub. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.